In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to sell Mina on Coinbase app. And if you're looking to start your crypto journey, we'll include links in the description below so you can easily check them out. To start, open the Coinbase app by tapping on it. Once the app is opened, you will see a pie chart icon at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on the pie chart icon. Next, under Crypto, you will see an option for Mina. Tap on Mina. After that, scroll down to the bottom. Then tap on the option that says Buy and Sell. A pop-up tab will then appear. From the options provided, tap on Sell. Then, on this page, enter the amount of Mina you wish to sell. Once entered, tap on Review Order. Lastly, review your sale order. Once reviewed and if everything looks good, tap on Sell Now. That's how you sell Mina on Coinbase app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.